Hello everyone, lovers of freedom and Biafrans at large. This is Pasidona's TV, bringing to you exposition number 7 on Simon Ekpa, on how Simon Ekpa is insisting on raising funds not approved by DOX, I mean ESN fund, and at the same time calling the Directorate of State names such as failure. He called them a lot of names. Today is 15th of October 2021. Why am I saying the date? So that you will know when each exposition is made. Like I said, this is exposition number 7, meaning that we have other expositions already. Please do check us on YouTube with the name Pasidona's TV, or as well on Facebook here with the same name Pasidona's TV. We have these expositions. They are already made, exposition 1 to 6. So that when you watch all the expositions about Simon Ekpa, you will understand what is happening. Now, some will say, why all these expositions, and why series of exposition on Simon Ekpa? Well, there are so many reasons for this exposition, but I'm just going to let you know one thing. One of the reasons why I make these expositions is for record purposes. You know what? Very soon, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will come out. And guess what? A lot of people will make reference of this audio or this video I'm making right now. They will remember, they will say, yes, someone somewhere was exposing Simon Ekpa. Well, look at the thing. I'm not the only one doing exposition on Simon Ekpa. A lot of Biafrans now are out to talk, to let other Biafrans, to let especially these gullible ones that do not even understand what is happening, for them to open their eyes. But sad to say that a lot of insults, bashing, trolls, coming to the people who are saying the truth. Well, at this point, we no longer care about your trolls, about your insults, or whatever thing you can come out to say. The most important thing is that we are standing with the leadership of IPOB. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the leader of indigenous people of Biafra. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the person that sent the Directorate of State, and that the same Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is still part or a member of this governing body. So what are we not even talking? The right thing any sensible Biafra will do, I mean any person that calls himself a true Biafran, is to do what? Is to follow the leadership that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have already set up and listen to them. That is it. Very simple. Like in one of my expositions, I said, if Simon will retrace his steps, come back, plead with Biafrans, and said, okay, it is enough. Now he wants to work with the IPOB. He wants to, to work in accordance of the rules and regulation of this struggle. He will no longer be countering DOS. He will no longer be insulting them. He will no longer be giving command. That what are we saying? I can't see myself. I can't imagine myself coming out and be making exposition on Simon Ekpa. But as long as Simon Ekpa continues to attack this leadership, we continue to come out here to make exposition on Simon Ekpa. Sad to say that most times, our people do not like reasoning. They do not like thinking deeply about situations of things, or when things are going wrong, for them to find out what is really happening. Well, I don't blame some people because it depends on their understanding. Simon Ekpa have really caused a lot of harm in this struggle. People will say, he's doing a lot of good work. He's trying, he's doing this, he's doing that. But I'm telling you guys that what Simon Ekpa is spoiling is more than what he has contributed in this struggle. Simon is in Kemere Joy. Like, the one way you do, that one never cool. You go do another one. My people, there are so many things to talk about this Simon. Like, sometimes, if I begin to think about these things, not be say, you don't know what you want to talk, or how long you want to talk, what you want to talk. But the thing be say, the matter plenty. Like, you gotta talk this one what Simon do. Before you go know, Simon go do and that thing. Well, I will try my best and see how I can try to, you know, say the things then why I want to talk on this exposition 7. Because this exposition 7, it really does strong. It really does strong. So I go want to talk in a way be say, make our people see reasons with waiting at the talk. Honestly. And if you, when they come across this video now, I mean this audio, if you not say you know what, open your mind, listen to waiting at the talk, you think say to come, maybe begin the bash or begin the throw. Now your time where you the waste to. Because all this is one that they go for all the Facebook page and YouTube platform. Go the type. Waiting be name. Make I even start with radio, Biafra radio go post. When I go there, begin the comment. Biafra TV go post. When I go there, begin the comment. Omote Biafra TV go post. When I go there, begin the comment. Iken Giruagutu, I mean, no Sunday we go post. When I go there, begin the sort on ourselves. I pop Rapture to go post for Facebook. When I go there, begin the insult on ourselves. Biafra watching they go post. When I go there, begin the sort on ourselves. Only Chilord go talk. When I go there, begin the insult on ourselves. Who I go even? I don't even call the ones on Facebook. I never even begin to go for the ones where they for YouTube. Like people will talk on all of them. I go just go there, begin the comments, rubbish. They insult people. They accuse your ass. Even China Samoru na, he never even get time for na. China Samoru go post anything, he go turn to insult. Anything where China Samoru post, when I go begin the insult them. I wanna relax. I know they even they do too much gara-gara. I know they too much. I know they do too much gara-gara. Well, I know why. Because our leader Mazina the country is coming out soon. Because most of una will most of una think say una they wait when Mazina go come out, come talk say Simon Ekpa they do and well. And that's how when eyes go clear una. And all of una where they jump like frog from one platform to another, begin the comment rubbish. And that's how una eye go clear. Una go don't say, so this is what Simon Ekpa they do, since you know they do and well. Make una wait. Make una wait. Una not go use una brain. Una not go use una brain for once. Make una not say, waiting this guy know they do, you know they do and well. Patrick he came go talk, una go come fight. I don't even miss our men or guy. I dey salute I dey give salute. Una know where they talk. Onye mechi oba, Mazi onye mechi oba. Now the person why they call. Mazi onye mechi oba, no verse, I no call your name first, so now you be the main thing, yeah? Now you know what we they do. So if you now wait here when I call Mazi onye mechi oba, if you want to go hit your head somewhere, that one is your business. There plenty now, like I never even begin to go YouTube. There plenty people where they talk about this Biafra agitation. People where they open other people their eyes, where they know say Simon Ekpa no mean good for this struggle. Okay, make we just start them now. Like I thought today na 15th. No be yesterday where Simon Ekpa go post something for your work. Say the emergency fundraising. Emergency fundraising 9th post for ESN. So see the thing where the flyer where in post. IPOP North America. Emergency ESN / unconditional release of our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, fundraising. Blah, 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 host. You come right to be their host, like 3 persons where they put their name. Oh, I know in platform now, so I go there, I go see the flyer. Don't say, so many of you don't see this flyer. As he post this thing, For Radio Biafra, they come post something again. Make I see read wetin Radio Biafra post. So Radio Biafra come post. This ESN fundraising is not approved by DOS. You cannot use the name of ESN to raise funds. We don't know where the money is going. This nonsense must stop. Donate money to this group of people at your own risk. This nonsense got to stop. So as Radio Biafra now write this thing now, I got the thing say, okay, maybe Simon go understand say he make mistake. Say even if say no be him print that flyer, say they send and give him. Whether no you and the co give him. Say if he talks okay, maybe DOS no they approve, no they aware of this fundraising. What thing go happen be say maybe I go delete him, go come out him. I go reach people where send this flyer, give me. Tell them waiting the sub, waiting the happen. Say DOS no approve this fundraising. Say one I can't give me this thing. Make una remember. All this while where then they go forth and back about whole ESN the money where they do fundraising. Say you know one put them. Now waiting be them. Now that native daughter and accuse them on an early. Now they accuse them, they call Neneyanya name. Say he said Neneyanya carry money, you know one bring. All these things then when they talk. So plenty things where that woman don't talk. So one of the days where Mazi Chike doesn't, that is the head of DOS, they talk. He can't talk say as it be now, any fundraising where they go do, he don't say when he announce this thing. If he don't reach 2 months no more. Say any fundraising where they do, say that fundraising, people where they do fundraising must go through Neneyanya. Neneyanya is the head of finance. If they reach Neneyanya, Neneyanya go reach him. If him approve him, say the fundraising go. If they no approve him, say he no go. No be say they just break. Chike, there's a man Chike, they begin to talk this, no. When I not say this katakata don't they do, Neneyanya carry money, ESM money, no play. Neneyanya carry ESM money, you know pay him, you know submit him, you know do this. Now suddenly they jump up and down like waiting I know. As all these things they happen. So Mazi Chike does for them to reduce this problem, this wahala we're gonna come up all the time. They can't talk say any ESM fund where they want raise, then go through appropriate channel. So you know go good say this person they had the raise, the other person they had the raise. And make one understand though, say since August 23, according to Chinasa Nwori yesterday, the woman where they home and the be like say na be the Madam Oyibo Rita, where see they come out now for this year ESN fundraising. The money where they hold for ESN, they never come out. They never come out 1 naira from the money since 23rd of August. Even Mazi Chinasa Nwori, where they need money for something for ESN and other matter, when they ask them the money, they no agree give them. They say, Nene never bring the one way he carry. Just they blackmail them. Because Mazi and the Kanu say, okay, if Neneyanya carry money, Neneyanya no one put the money for the ESN account for America. Say, may the woman no touch that money, may they leave the money as it be. So if they come beg money, not even beg, if they come ask money for ESN thing, this women no go agree, come out the money again. So they won't make this DOS them. They play to their card like they submit to them anything where they talk, now the DOS them go they do. You know they're possible now. How can one you go begin the room okay and you know they're possible. So all these things now don't they happen now. DOS them they not say as these things then they happen. Not waiting they will come they bring out on social media. You know why? If you bring them out for social media, you know go solve any problem. So they don't they try to do this thing internally. Now these women from nowhere, no due process. One begin the raise fund again. The ones where they raise, they not agree come out and they not bring, as in the ESM money, where them they handle their accounts. bring the money out for ESN. They don't agree bring the money. They don't know how the DOS, they run around. They do all these things. They bring money, they cater for ESN. They don't know. And now they still want to do another fundraising. And the thing be say, it gets fundraising where the DOS, them don't put before now, where they're going to do on 16th. Will be tomorrow. And this fundraising is for Brisbane. Where them, these American women, no, now we talk say now, when they pay Brisbane. No, now we make Brisbane come Nigeria. Now we do this, do that. What thing can happen now? Why DOS now won't raise fund now for Brisbane? So the money where they keep for Brisbane, no one bring her out again. I think say now when they pay Brisbane millions of dollars. So waiting na come on they pay them. When I see all these things, insubordination no good. Indiscipline no good at all. You don't scatter so many things. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu build this struggle. He done the work with these members of DOS. DOS, not be one person, not be two person, not be three person, not be four person. Then plenty. Although say, he get some bad eggs where they for DOS that time, where they don't remove them. People like Obi Debienu, which are for them. So, I don't know what to make people come they think and I say DOS no they do and well. Now Simon Ekpa they do and well. I want ask you now who be Simon Ekpa. You get something where person talk, one of the comments where I see. Whether not some months ago, person talk say, Simon Ekpa is a blogger. That he's using Biafrans to build his platform. I can't look, I can't tell my friend, why this person they call Simon Ekpa blogger? Say no, say Simon Ekpa they try. The things they when they do on this struggle, all these things when they do online. Say the person no try you. I know they say that person I don't clear them before. You know, say people I they clear them stage by stage. Like me, you don't say, oh my eye don't clear about Simon Ekpa. I don't talk for one of my expositions. All this, you get these guys, they when they call anonymous for Facebook. Then they try to review Nigerians issue, politicians, waiting then they do, all the evils, where they plan, you know, those kind of things them now. Anonymous. Consent message, say make Mazi Nnamdi Kanu dey careful. Say don't pay person, we will come, you know, delete time. Say make Mazi Nnamdi Kanu dey careful, the thing when they go, call the person name where the Nigerian government don't pay. So they come call Simon, but say make Simon Ekpa dey careful. Say him too. Say they want delete them too. As soon as this guy hear his name, he can't drop like 1 hour. I will expose them. I will expose them. They are this. They are that. I will block the way their money is coming. They are fake. The men anonymous. Their page is so amount. These ones are fake. They are not real. They are duping Biafrans. I will make sure they don't do People so take because people they follow that anonymous them. Biafrans so they go they beg anonymous. They say they leave Simon Ekpa beg. Go they tell Simon Ekpa say they don't beg on their beat. Simon Ekpa begin the holla. Why not go beg on my behalf? Why not go talk this? You where they talk about me? What is Simon gonna do? Anybody will comment and say he don't do. He go that person wall. I see him. See person where they tell me make I calm down. Person where they give me suggestion. He's not a Biafran. He's not even sharing my videos. He's not even sharing. Ordinary Mazi Nnamdi Kanu pitch. He never even get. I can't they say. Wait, that's why I can't they say say this guy say passing sense, no be passing sense. So say this guy I know where they just call. They just tell you say make you dey careful. Make you dey careful. The only thing what they tell you. They don't tell you any other thing. Now you don't begin the holler. They jump like 1 hour. You will expose them. You will expose them. You will expose them. Now it can't talk say those people. Anytime when you do exposition finish, those people go carry information, go put online. Say that then they hack people's account, they get information. I can't they love Simon. Simon don't even get single information. Nobody is reporting to Simon. Not even as they Sahara them day. Now people they get reporters where they go find the information called give them. Simon, nobody they report to Simon. The thing with them where Simon they do now, the thing where you see on Facebook. Now the thing when they carry they do the thing when they do. Not be saying get person where they report to them. No, you don't get information. And the small information where it is you get from DOS that time, anytime where DOS do it, you go talk say, and they're calling my name there, and they're doing this. I know what they're doing. Now because of Madam Arewa, where they come from coastal region, where they go carry put for their camp. When the ASG meeting, the woman go just record everything, go give them. When they now find out, say that woman, they give them information. They can't come out that woman. Someone they get information again. So when that woman don't carry information, go give Nelly. Nelly go carry that information, go give Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa go come for a platform, cut the job like waiting like no. I know the things they talk. I have all the record. I know what they're saying in that their DOS. Now wow, Simon, now wow. Una know the people why I go laugh. All these people where they talk say, after our leader Simon Ekpa where we know. Now our leader talk and say make him do this. So they can't see one mumu person where they come and say, why you don't even know what to make Martin and they can't even hand them over. If for hand them over before they kidnap her. Hey, my people, laugh, I don't know where I want to start. Okay, this evening now, I dey watch Simon, but make I even know the reason when you go continue with that fundraising. When I not say as I work this morning, Simon Ekpa see they put more link, more, more link on top the one way he post for the Zoom meeting and other things. It no cost anything to their discipline. Simon Ekpa he dey vex Sam. Now people gonna talk say DOS they envy Simon Ekpa. I dey ask for what? Una think say DOS na una think say na all these things where Simon Ekpa dey showcase. Una think say na this one wey go carry say he dey go office, he go work, he no go work, carry one part of a house, put on one big chair where they like say Ochendeze. Every time he go where he shall go, carry sword for hand. Carry all the rubbish where I want no way carry put for house. They do say he they do exposition this. When some people go see those things, they wait there, they go see say Simon Ekpa a rich man. So then somebody come and talk say Simon Ekpa wanna be even ordinary self. So not be their level again. Okay, now you know your level. Make I not even begin to go there. So all these things then, Simon Ekpa gonna display those things. Gonna display. So people gonna watch them. People they watch Simon Ekpa because they distracted. They see those things. Because the reason I'm saying Simon Ekpa na one kind big man, na one kind big person like that. Simon Ekpa, you don't even know the DOS. Highest, you go talk say you don't know the face of Chike Doziem. Chinasa Nworu, you don't even know him. You don't even know what Chinasa Nworu look like. Now because say they hear Chinasa Nworu, because Chinasa Nworu they come out already Biafra, they talk. Anytime when talking, go say he's Chinasa Nworu, a member of DOS. Should I wait to make you know him? If I say Chinasa Nworu just talk, he go talk, he not go talk say be member of DOS. No only DOS member one go know, no be Chike Doziem, una go know other person. Una not go know now. So it is say you and then they drag anything. So they don't call them failures, they don't call them dog. Only you. Oh my God. Oh my God. My people, make una open on our eyes. Make una open on our eyes. Make una use una sense reason. Make una know people betray my Nnamdi Kanu. At that early stage, madam, whether I'm putting be name, Nelly can't carry this propaganda. They go everywhere. People so they think say some members of the DOS get hand for waiting do Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Nobody knows say all these things. No be say person like me, I don't believe that trash. I don't believe those things that time. The only thing why they talk be say, okay, we go see now, we go find out. Anyhow, we go find out how this thing take happen. I'm not going to believe those trash because those things, as in, I don't agree assimilate that thing. Especially at that time when this lady go call for Simon Ekpa platform, go they talk rubbish. I know it hard for me. I said I don't know what this person they talk. Because I don't understand that woman. I saw all this propaganda begin to fly up and down, People call the DOS them names. Now, Simon, like I talk say, I been think say Simon suppose delete that post, reach those people, we give him flyer, make him and them talk, tell them make them go read you, say what thing that happen, what they carry flyer, where they no approve, give them. As him don't see that alert, person will be obedient servant, what he go do? Now to delete that thing, come, even if you no go call Radio Biafra or call anybody, any members of DOS. The only thing we're supposed they come for a walk, come right, say, I'm really sorry. I wasn't aware that DOS is not, know that way for this fundraising. Okay, I've deleted this flyer. Let's hear from DOS them first. Or maybe when they in charge, go listen with DOS them first. If you will come back, come put them. You know, do that thing. The only thing where you do as they break, you can't they bring more link. Now, during the video today, this evening, he say what expose the thing where they talk about the raising of fund for ESN. Me no go want talk much about the thing where Simon Ekpa talk because the video where you do only 1 hour plus self. If it remains small, where you go reach 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay. Simon Ekpa talk say. Someone Ekpa talk say don't they do the fundraising before as in when Mazin and the Kano day. And he say the fundraising when they do, say he no get access to the money in order to support the fundraising when don't they do before now. And anytime anytime when they come and say fundraising, say now for ESN, say he go do am. In Simon's words, say he no care whether the money they go there or they go there, whether they eat the money, whether they use the money, do anything. Say no be in business. Say na people where they in charge go no. Say na DOS self, make them go sort those things they out. That makes them leadership. Say they will go study administrative work. They will go know what leadership mean. They will go learn what command and control be. Blah blah blah. Simon now don't they teach people? Where don't they with Mazin and the Kanu Tete? So even when Mazin and the Kanu there for prison, 2015. Tita when come out 2017. When at 2014, I don't remember. So all these our fathers, we be DOS members, we follow Mazin and the Kanu. We follow everything truth, all through in this thing for there. See they bring Mazin and the Kanu out. They no try. They don't know what leadership be. They don't know what thing they do. Now where Simon Ekpa come now, you go come they teach them what thing they go do. Okay. That one not do Simon. He say he no one know whether they eat them or they know they eat them, whether the money they go there, they go there. So they come they talk say the money where the ESN fundraising they go. Now that is the same Umwere account where they approve. Simon Ekpa no fit address the thing where Chinasa Sanwo-Olu talk say since 23rd of August, money never from that account come out. Enter and say they go for ESL this matter them. So what thing go make una? Someone you where they talk, you don't know what, you don't know where the money they go. All your own be say whenever you hear fundraising, say you must come to support. Who are you deceiving? Who are you deceiving? It is saying I saw this. You declare say you Mazin and the kind disciple. The DOS the way you put, you know they listen to them. You know they listen to them. It is and I saw this struggle do it, so we reach this side now where we reach. But all the same, all the same. It get as breeze they blow. You go make breeze they blow. May you not say further they wear trousers inside. If not be saying now Mazin and the kind of day for the tension now. Una for the jump up and down they camouflage our leader onyen dole. Now me be the number one. Now me be the only you be the 50 men. From 100 men where Mazin and the can need. Una they see them. So all these things, my people. All these things, my people, no portray good of Simon Ekpa at all. At all. People, they there for organization. Everything when they do, they get rules. Then they get outside and they do things. You know, they wake up one morning, maybe you come, if they find work, they can't give you job for one company like that. They don't tell you the routine, how they do their job. When you don't call, you don't say no. You see this routine, I not go follow, I know this thing pass all off, and I see how I go take do them. You know they work like that now. Even say all the job a person they do, they go give person qualification finish. But when they still bring the person come for that company, then go still teach to other person. When the person know how the organization they run. So Simon Ekpa, you don't go come now, come they tell them, say they know they do well. You are always trying to disrespect the US. Always trying to show that they want nothing in front of people. So Simon Ekpa bring, he get one audio where they play. He say na this Madam Rita too. What for this ESM fundraising? Now they do it consult their own. Say the person went talk yesterday, say they never deposit it consult money. I think say what is Simon Ekpa supposed to do. Maybe he go bring a record. Maybe they record the consult wife. Or in family, where they don't talk, say they don't receive all the $1,000 where they donate for them. They feel donate thousands, so can't give them $500. You know go know. So and they wait when he go bring something where go talk say see the thing where they donate because say family member they talk say they don't receive them. He say get something where he won't play. He get something where he won't play to show people that the DOS are not doing well. Like he won't show like say they don't do well, they portray well. He said a member of DOS. Now the girl when they talk with now the girl where they don't I don't know the person where he say they call the girl, tell the girl, say me the girl no con the girl con the talk bad about Simon Ekpa say they go support in Biden. So this person now we con the talk with this lady now. Honestly at the beginning I don't see anything bad the way he talk. Okay, you know Simon Ekpa say you go see President of Finland. The lady say no, you say no say you go see him. The man say within talk say saying good in the go present paper. From there, they just they talk, you know, so many things. So the person can't say be member of DOS. Man, they watch you. Member of DOS, no get name, you know, introduce himself. Even the lady where they talk say, we know even know, you know even introduce himself. Nobody know his name. So that the person where talk say be member of DOS, talk say even the DOS is not even the highest authority in this struggle. Say the highest authority for this struggle there for Europe and America, especially America. Hey, my God, I can't laugh. You know what Simon Ekpa they do? That guy can do arrange you. That guy. On know the time where Simon Ekpa go bring one person, we contact same be journalist, say Ingo there, what's in the column? Saudi Arabia. When they bury Buhari, in taking pictures, in getting pictures. So they contact say, and so many things where the guy talk. Now Simon carry that guy come in platform till today. We never hear from that guy. So that Simon will do that arrangement with that guy. We know say the Buhari don't die. All the information when the guy they try give. So even we kind of love the English of that man. And now I begin to see why people kind of love the English of that man. Because all the people where Simon they bring for him platform, I don't know, people like say they know even know what's in the culture, talk of board. Now so they go to talk rubbish, they speak jargon where I don't know what they speak. Now so that guy can't talk rubbish. If you see English, we say me journalist, people can't laugh him. Till today, Simon Ekpa saying go bring the guy back. People, I know say people will get small brain, I don't forget that person. This thing happened, I think early 2020. Early 2020 or late 2019. Now this thing happened. Una brain don't blow finish. When they remember again. So Simon Ekpa they good with arranging people where the people come in platform, can't give one testimony or the other. I don't even or the ones when don't gather from Finland. Where they come they talk against the coordinator of Finland. Or this one now where come playing audio. Instead of DOS member when no get name. No DOS go the same. So even if people where they watch themselves come tell and say, this one don't be DOS member, this one don't be DOS member. Even people where they support them, come tell and say, no, this one, no, you know well. Say life for that one. So that they see him. So certain come play another voice record where Mazi Chike Dozie they talk about the Umeri account when say all the ESM money should go to that account. When I know say that account that time, where people the team be say some people never understand what's in the happen. So people can they talk say account this, account that. So during that time, Naima Chike talk say all the money, all the ESM money should go to that new account wey be Umueri. Now Simon Ekpa they refer to. Now, wetin I dey ask Simon Ekpa be this? You say you don't even know where the money they go. You don't know whether if they want me to eat or if they don't want to do anything. Say it there for the people where they in charge. When I the leadership, the way you call them, may they go sort out. So that the thing what they supposed to do now to take date, take note of the money what that's raised and blah blah blah. The month, the day where they go pay, and where they go there go settle the wahala or the issue internally. Now tell me now how you go want me now. I no one stand as a guarantor of a person. I make I did there. The person go use my address, use my phone number. Even if I get company, use my company name. I think they borrow money. Money where I don't know what you want use and do or where the money they go. I no say anyhow my name go there involved for that thing. So what it make me go allow the person or what it make me, if I even allow the person, I suppose know what the person they touch or what the person, the names or the address or the contacts or how they take they use my contacts. So someone, but you don't come there and narrate yourself, say you don't know where the money they go. This, that's not your business. Your own is to support ESN account and you will continue to support it. I ask you, you will continue to support ESN account fundraising. That one, now you know. Now you know because person when they do something, say you know what make una do fundraising for them. What you make una know they hear something? What in be on interest? They don't talk. She not someone don't talk. Say the money we even there for the accounts already. They know if you pull up and they don't get access to the money. So una don't know where then they carry money now from. They go to sponsor ESN. And una still want raise money on top. Someone I address you say you don't get anything. You know they touch the money. You don't get access to the money. Why you go let them they use your platform every time? Now so you go they try to excuse yourself anytime when anything they go wrong. Una think say that this is subordination what they do. The time where Python dance come for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they won't come kill him. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu escape. In the next 1 year, now they see him for Israel. Una think say if this crop of people now this people where they like native daughter them, they lead them, Madam Oyibo them. Now, no waiting that happen for IPO. Even Simon Ekpa them. Una think say that you no go leak outside. Una think say that you no go leak outside. Say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu say never die. Where all the zoo, all of them they jump up and die because Biafra don't call them, made them go producing Nnamdi. Because the last time when they know Mazi Nnamdi Kanu there for the house before they come do that Operation Python dance. And all in house, them everywhere, they scatter everywhere like bullets everywhere. So all these things them happen. All these things them happen for real. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu escape that thing. No only one time where they just write small thing where they write. Post as Mazi Nnamdi Kanu small rules them when use. But that it no be full details. And a later, maybe even of not even of recent where that thing happen. So what it make me they make reference of this thing now? If na people where they like Simon Ekpa them, Amado Oyibo them, nah, even Nelly them. Ha. Therefore don't hear where Mazi Nnamdi because all of them they go they put ear for Ghana. They won't hear everything. Now so they go here, they go they leak. Eh? And they ask una when they even they insult you who born on now? Eh? Where on a day when Mazi Nnamdi dey outside, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu go talk something, una go feel attack him. Una go feel challenge him. The only people where they attack Mazi Nnamdi Kanu or challenge him, not these people, all these fools them. When they be Biafrans. Eh? When be Fulanis, when they like Biafrans, when don't make Biafrans go. Now then, not only them that attack Mazi Nnamdi. I never see other Biafrans where they attack. I'm gonna leave that this person, I no one calling them, this a now where they deport from Turkey. Where they for Abuja. That was same name. That was not human. I know if you want to call it name. So all these things the way they happen, my people. Make una shine on our eyes, oh. Make una shine on our eyes well. Like make una shine on our eyes. As Simon day now, me know what's in the tell ona. Each time was Simon Ekpa even go in house, close the eyes. If they pray, me Mazi Nnamdi Kanu no come out because all these gragra, what they do, they get plans. And they want to accomplish them. So all they see what they do, they won't just see the area, the fast, they have possible where they go. Where they go, they won't go far. They don't make Martin and they cannot come out. So I mean Simon Ekpa and the co, because what thing go make them they do all this insubordination? They won't divide IPOP. Even the ESN too, they won't divide the ESN. I know when begin they read comments where people write for Simon Ekpa wall. So many people now eyes now don't they clear them now. They don't understand say this Simon Ekpa no mean any good for Biafrans. It no mean any good for them at all. So if una day, but una day they listen to Simon Ekpa is a blogger who is trying to use Biafran agitation to, to raise a platform. So anything when they do now, because if in no do and fast, really this is the way they do. If Martin and they cannot come out, contact say, this Simon, no, he's not doing well. That time I go clear one. And that time now, maybe people no go play, people go to follow Simon. So you go good now, anything where Simon won't do, now make him do a na. When time day. Because very soon, time no go there for Simon Ekpa. He go just there, they do that exposition when they do only him, by himself alone, go to watch him for himself. I don't want to talk too much because this matter, this guy matter plenty. This guy matter plenty. So I no go one begin the stressor. The thing will be say where I want to talk my own be say, and I don't conclude and this will be say. If person tell you say you want help me, raise fund for me, maybe say I beg my leg. Person say one raise fund for me. I tell you say make you no raise again for me. Oh, why you going to see say you must raise fund for me? If you be say you got hidden agenda, why you not make I know? So now we are the thing day. So make una shine on our eyes. Simon is not for good. He dey fight this structure. So they castigate them, they call them say they don't say 20 years, they don't say how many years for IPOP. Say they don't they carry years for IPOP, they use and do certificates. So I don't want to talk much, but I don't talk much. Mona, thank you. Make I stop on here. Simon matter still they come. Thank you so much for listening, and see you soon on my next video. Bye.